Hi, yoga buddies! Welcome to our happy yoga time. Today we're moving our bodies in fun and gentle ways to feel good and feel happy. Before we start, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you can practice yoga with us anytime. Let's begin. Standing tall, feet grounded, arms by sides, chest open, confident, calm stance. Stand tall with arms stretched overhead, palms facing each other, ribs down, shoulders relaxed away from the ears. From forward fold, lift your chest halfway. Place hands on shins. Keep back long and flat. Gaze slightly forward. Stand with feet hip-width apart. Fold forward from the hips, knees slightly bent, hands reaching toward the floor, head relaxed and heavy. Step 1 foot forward into a deep lunge. Back knee on the mat, hips sinking gently. Hands rest on the front thigh. Switch sides. Step your feet wide. Bend the front knee and extend your arms sideways at shoulder height. Look over the front hand. Repeat on left and right sides. Front knee bent. Front elbow resting lightly on thigh. Top arm reaching overhead. Alternate between left and right.
Stand on one leg, start right leg, place the other foot on your calf or inner thigh, hands together at heart or lifted overhead. Repeat on left leg.
Feet slightly wider than hips, bend deeply into a squat, heels on the floor if possible, hands together at chest, elbows pressing knees outward to keep the chest lifted. Lie on your back, bend your knees, press your feet into the mat, and gently lift your hips while keeping your head relaxed. Lying on the back, holding the feet with knees bent wide toward the armpits. Lying flat on back, legs relaxed, arms by sides with palms up, soft belly, eyes closed, peaceful expression. Let's stay here and breathe together for 30 seconds. Slow breath in and slow breath out. Feel your body relaxed, stretched, and happy. You did an amazing job today. Your body moved, stretched, and smiled, and that's something to be really proud of. If you like this happy yoga flow, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone you love. See you next time, yoga buddies. Namaste.